Hello, everyone. Welcome to the GotATek channel, where if you don't have a tech, now you do. Get training, easy tips, and tricks on how to use tech devices and programs more efficiently. Today, we're going to go over how to clean up your inbox. A client asked me to please make a video on an easy way to clean up your inbox. She has thousands of emails that are just sitting in the inbox and doesn't want to go through them one by one to delete them. It's a common problem. A lot of people subscribe to something temporarily just to get information in the moment, and they forget to unsubscribe, so they will continue to get emails from that particular company. And then that company will sell their email addresses to another group of companies, and now you're getting a ton of emails that you don't even need or want. So I found this cool website or tool is called Unenroll. It's called Unroll. .me. You would have to allow Unroll.me to access your email account. You can use Yahoo, Gmail, Outlook, Apple, AOL. Agree to the terms. It's going to take you to the website of your email address that you're using. You would have to put in your password. And just give me a moment here, please. I forgot my password. Okay, now I'm in. Just verifying with the 4-digit code that they sent me. Okay, agree. And now it's going to go through all of my emails. So right now, unroll.me is finding the email, all the companies that I'm subscribed to in my email. So that takes a few minutes depending on how many you have. You want to press OK. Let's go. Okay, let's go. There we go. So it gives you three options to unsubscribe. Well, it will remove the subscription for you, or you can roll it up where you can specify how often you want to receive the emails, or you can just keep them. So as you see here, I have several subscriptions to Best Buy, Blue Nile, Brahmin USA, Bye Bye Baby, Canvas People. I have a lot more if I scroll down. Career Builder. So I'm just gonna unsubscribe from the ones that I don't really use that often. Just pick a few of them here. And this gives you a list view of what you're subscribed to, and you can easily spot, hey, I no longer shop there, or I'm no longer interested in receiving this information. So you can just unsubscribe from it. It says I have 51 at the top. Now I have 50. The number goes down as you continue to choose which ones you don't want anymore. So now if you go to subscriptions in the middle and unsubscribe, you will see all the email addresses that you just unsubscribed from. And I chose to roll up one of them, which means I can dictate how often I receive those emails. I'm just going to log out of this program, but that's pretty much how you use it. It's fairly straightforward and simple. You can also manually accomplish the same thing if you go to your email address. Uh, I'm going to start by typing in the search bar at the top of your email. Most email has the search bar. You can do a keyword search for the word unsubscribe, and then all the emails that have a subscription will come up because you'll have the option to unsubscribe from them. So you can just go through those one by one. You can do it that way. Or as you see, I just pressed the magnifying glass next to one company, and it searched and pulled all the emails that I've ever received from that company. I'll do another one here. Let's do a search for the vitamin shop. So if you select all at the top, the checkbox at the top, you can massively delete 25 at a time. It'll find some more. This time it found 50. And you just keep doing it until it gets rid of all of them. Um, that's how it pretty much works in Yahoo. Let's do Gmail. So in Gmail, it's a little different, but pretty much the same concept. So I'll go through my promotions because Google tries to categorize more for you. So these are the emails I get from Harry and David promoting whatever sale they have. So you can choose to unsubscribe individually by clicking on one email, or you can right click on it and go to find emails from Harry and David or whatever company it is that you have selected. And then the same select all checkbox at the top will allow you to massively select 50 or 100 emails. You see it says I have all 100 conversations checked. And you just press delete up there at the top. And that's how you can massively get rid of a bunch of emails at one time. I'm just checking spam just because it just personally annoys me to get spam. But you can do it in any of the folders that you have. So the same thing. Just right click on the email. Um, you find all the emails from that company. You can select them all and press the delete button. There you have it. Also, individually, like sometimes you can't find the unsubscribe option at the top of your email address, at the top of the email message. So if you go into the body of the email, like here at the bottom of this email, it'll say unsubscribe. You can also find it that way. But yeah, it's pretty easy to get rid of them massively. Thanks for watching.